Gonna do a little weed eating today. Let's get the show on the road. Alright, that looks a lot better. About 10 minutes worth of work. I just can't get it with a mower. It's full of rocks and frickin' holes and stuff. I'll try to keep it cut until I get a tiller in here and till this whole place up. And I can pick up all the rocks. But yeah, I'm liking it. So I bought this stuff for my mailbox to hang from the chain. And this piece of pipe, let me show you this. This piece of pipe was laying on the property. So that's going to go on the ground. And then the mailbox is going to hang from there by chain so the snow plows don't destroy them. I'm going to get a coat of black paint on this. The wind picked up. Let's see what we can do with this. Been seeing all kinds of little garter snakes around. Pretty cool. Second one I've seen in 10 minutes. He ain't gonna let me pick him up. Man, he's cool. So, they obviously eating something. I like it. The other one is right there. A little bit bigger. Come on. Yep. Cool. Little garter snakes. 4:30. Been raining since about 11 o'clock. Didn't do much today. Did a little weed eating out there. Started working on my mailbox. Friend came by, picked up some fencing that was laying in the old horse barn, some fence posts, the little plastic things that go on fence posts for electric fence. Gave that to her. So that cleaned up a little bit of the old horse barn. Went and had lunch with her and her daughter and stopped by my dad's best friend's place. He wasn't there. So I came back out here and he was driving down the road. I went to his place. He went to my place. But anyway, so not a lot of work got done today. Probably won't be a lot of work tomorrow. I think it's going to rain all day. If it does, I think I'm going to work in the barn. I'm starting to have an issue with storage space for the videos I make. I don't want to delete any of my videos. You know, I make hours of videos a day and I edit it down into 15, 20 minute videos for y'all to watch. But I keep all that footage. So I ordered a 12 terabyte external storage hard drive that I can download all my videos and all my pictures to, because I want to keep that stuff. So I'm juggling around, working with getting videos off the phone. I edit the videos on my phone, but I think I'm going to start using my Corel Video Studio. It's just a lot easier on my phone because that's where 90% of the videos are. It's drag and drop, edit, and add music to it, whatever. But I think I'm going to start using this program on my laptop. And once I get that external hard drive, I shouldn't have any problems with storage anymore. So that's supposed to show up between the 2nd and the 5th of June. I'm hoping it gets here sooner. It's in New Jersey right now. But it's a holiday weekend, so I doubt they're going to be doing much work. Either way around it, I'm going to try my best. I spent like an hour trying to get these videos off my phone and onto my laptop. It's being a pain in the butt. But I'll get them done. I'll get them up. Didn't do a whole lot today. Hopefully I can get to working inside the barn tomorrow. And hope you all have a great evening. Have a safe holiday weekend. And see you bye.